For the recipe, we are going to need a 16-ounce spray bottle. I will give you the instructions for a small amount too. Well, because I usually love to make it and forget about it. So that's why I use the 16-ounce spray bottle. Now, the first ingredient we are going to need would be the witch hazel in the amount of 1/4 cup. The next ingredient would be the essential oils. Well, the essential oils obviously could be the oils that you prefer, maybe your favorite smell combination. So this is my favorite smell combination right now, and I will share it with you. We shall need 10 drops of lavender essential oil. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We shall need 10 drops of the citrus essential oil. This could be lemon, could be lime, or could be orange. So I prefer to add the orange, sweet orange essential oil right now, but lemon is really good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Hope I counted right. Now, the next ingredient would be the peppermint essential oil, going to decreasing amount of drops in the amount of 5 drops. So 1, no, doesn't want to, okay, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're like a little bit approximate here. Now in the tea tree oil, only in the amount of 3 drops. It also will help us to eliminate the unpleasant odors if there are any. So, and the rest of the 16-ounce we shall need to fill up with water. It could be a regular water, just the tap water, and then you transfer it to the container you're going to use it for. For a smaller bottle, the recipe would go as you would need to fill up 1/3 of your container with water, and the rest you will fill up with the witch hazel. Obviously, the essential oils amount will be decreased. Say you could use about 20 drops of essential oil. It's either one essential oil or a combination 10 and 10. Lemon and lemongrass are good. Peppermint and lavender are also good. And I would recommend to always add a drop or 2 of tea tree essential oil. Every time you're going to use it, before you would need to shake the bottle before you use it, and you would need to spray directly on the mat. You could use a towel to wipe it and then let it dry out completely, but I wouldn't even bother. Just spray it and leave it to dry out, and then you can roll it. Just make sure it dries out well. You do not need to do it maybe after every time you use it, but it's according to your preference. You could use it right after every use or every other use, or as needed, I would say. This is a very simple natural recipe that would give your that will extend the life of your mat. You could use it for a kids mat as well, and you could adjust the combination of the essential oils and the amount. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up. Do not forget to do that, and I will see you later. Bye.